Foshan Soontrue is a leading manufacturer specialized in the research and development, production, sales and service of horizontal packaging machine, vertical packaging machine, fully automatic packing system, and so on. Our factory covers 41,000 square meters, including more than 600 staffs. We have passed ISO 9001 and our machines are all CE certified. Thanks to our rich industry experience and strong R&D capabilities, our machines and customized solutions are always constantly updated and optimized.
Flow packing machine from Foshan Soontrue. Servo control system, convenient for maintenance. Compact structure design, easy for workshop arrangement. Different end sealings are available, suitable for various of packing films. Optional film loader models, suitable for different products and packing schemes. Vertical packing machine from Foshan Soontrue. Confixed with volumetric cup filler, suitable for packaging of granular and some powder products. With auger filler, suitable for packaging of powder products. Confixed with multi-head weigher, suitable for packaging of granular, stick, and chip shaped products. With integrated multi-head weigher, offering compact structure, saving workshop space. Customized automatic package solution, greatly improved packing capacity. Size sorting cupcake packing line from Foshan Soontrue. Each stage of main conveyor confixed with one set of guiding plates. Size sorting design, introducing cupcakes into turning unit of each line smoothly. 4-stage automatic feeding unit, realizing precise in-feed precision. Confixed with 5 sets of flow packaging machines for the whole line. Customized train bag and air flushing function. Cartooning machine from Foshan Soontrue. Stainless steel with sandblasting treatment, beautiful and durable. User-friendly HMI with memory function, convenient for daily operation and maintenance. Double servo control for product pushing and feeding, stable and accurate cartooning. 9 servo drive system, realizing automatic product feeding, cartoon erecting, cartooning, and glue spraying. Pre-made pouch packing machine from Foshan Soontrue. Servo control system, reducing abrasion on mechanical parts. Integrated frame design with solid structure and small footprint. User-friendly HMI, easy for monitoring and maintenance. Precise pouch opening motion, packing speed up to 82 BPM. Wide range of applications, fitting with different auger scales and multi-head weighers. Horizontal pre-made pouch packing machine from Foshan Soontrue. Stainless steel machine body with sandblasting treatment, hygienic and durable. Automatically conducts pouch picking and opening, product pushing, and pouch sealing. Multi-axis servo drive design, offering quick response and precise motion. Packing speed up to 40 BPM, stable and reliable. Widely used in regular shape product or primary to secondary package packing. Multi-lane packing machine from Foshan Soontrue. High precision CNC processing for components. Patented volumetric cup filler, realizing high packing speed, film feeding fast and precise. Full servo control system, making low failure rate, low maintenance cost, and low downtime. Leading IPC and bus servo control, realizing high pass rate and nice package appearance. Automatic case erector from Foshan Soontrue. Carbon steel machine body with simple mechanical structure. 2 servo control system, realizing belts on both sides run synchronously and case erected squarely. Confixed with manipulator to have a high degree of automation, labor cost saving. Case erecting speed from 5 to 30 pieces per minute. User-friendly HMI with memory function, easy to operate. 2-exit robotic box packing machine from Foshan Soontrue. Flexible connection with the front and back ends of production and packing system. Compact structure design, saving workshop space. 14-inch touchscreen with detailed information display, easy to operate. Palletizing gripper designed by product spec, easy for product changeover, like large bottles of daily chemicals. 15 to 20 boxes can be packed per minute. Reliable performance, greatly saving labor costs. Automatic box packing solution from Soontrue. Auto case erector with fast and precise action. Empty boxes will be sent to conveyor one by one. Robotic box packing machine with two-exit manipulator. Accurate motion without damage of product surface. Automatic case sealer. No operator assistance required. Robotic palletizer with reliable performance, greatly saving labor costs. High automation packing system is a wise choice to improve your production efficiency. Shrimp peeling machine from Soontrue. User-friendly HMI, easy to operate. Independent electric box with waterproof design. Food-grade conveyor, hygienic and durable. Servo drive system, precision control within 0.1 mm. Shrimp cutting, deveining, and shelling automatically. Compatible with different peeling styles. Pan-fried dumpling making machine from Soontrue. Stainless steel machine body with sandblasting treatment, beautiful and durable. Pre-made dough bucket with wrapper recycling design. 3-stage dumpling skin processing area, making smooth and even wrapper. Servo control stuffing filling assembly, realizing accurate stuffing weight. Flexible pickup by robot arm, production capacity up to 30 to 40 pieces per minute. Tissue paper making machine from Soontrue. The whole line configured with facial tissue, folding, cutting, and packaging machines. Produces facial tissue from jumbo rolls with width of 1500 or 2000 mm. Integrates with functions of pattern embossing, folding, counting, and cutting, realizing high automation and good quality. The folding machine can automatically interfold the set number of tissue without stopping the machine. Optional flipping design, making easy pulling for the first count of facial tissue. Optional storage rack, making continuous production not to be interrupted by jumbo roll changing. High-speed lock-shore machine, cutting the tissue paper into small pieces with neat cut. Max cutting speed 200 cuts per minute. Automatic packing machine with nice package appearance. The whole production line can greatly improve the production efficiency and reduce costs.